If you're looking for a dependable way to connect your turntable to an amplifier, DJ mixer, or phono preamp, the Hosa CRA-203DJ Dual RCA cable deserves a close look. This 3-meter cable is specially designed with a ground wire to eliminate hum and interference, making it a practical choice for any vinyl enthusiast who values clean sound without breaking the bank. Right out of the box, the Hosa CRA-203DJ impresses with its nickel-plated plugs. These connectors aren't just about durability, they also ensure efficient signal transfer, which means your music stays clear and crisp from your turntable to your sound system. The rugged build promises longevity, even with regular use in busy setups or DJ booths. Inside, you'll find oxygen-free copper, OFC, conductors. This material is known for enhancing signal clarity by minimizing signal loss and interference. The cable also features an OFC spiral shield that effectively rejects electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI, so you get cleaner audio with less background noise or hum. Measuring a full 3 meters, this cable offers plenty of length to fit most home audio setups comfortably. Whether your amplifier or mixer sits across the room or in a rack, you won't have to worry about stretching or awkward placement. The dual RCA connectors on both ends, combined with the essential ground wire, make it especially suitable for turntables that require grounding to prevent buzzing sounds. One of the standout features of this cable is its design tailored specifically for turntables. Many standard RCA cables lack a ground wire, which can lead to annoying hums or interference. The Hosa CRA-203DJ includes this wire, providing a cleaner, more professional sound experience that vinyl lovers will appreciate. Users have praised this cable for its excellent value. For instance, one Pioneer PL112D turntable owner replaced a failed OEM cable with the CRA-203DJ and found the quality impressive for the price. While it's not a high-end audiophile cable, the build quality of the wire and connectors holds up well, especially considering the affordable cost. The center conductor is a soft, pliable stranded copper wire estimated at about 22 gauge, which is ideal for maintaining signal integrity. The shielding is also soft stranded copper wrapped around the conductor, providing near complete coverage. Although it lacks an additional foil or mylar shield, the spiral shield does an effective job of blocking interference. Installation can be straightforward, but some users have adapted the cable by cutting off the right-angle connectors to hardwire directly to internal solder terminals. This flexibility shows the cable's practical design for different setups and customization needs, making it a versatile choice for both casual listeners and professionals. After installation, users report a fully quiet turntable with no discernible hum or noise, which highlights the cable's effectiveness in grounding and shielding. This means your records play with the clarity and warmth they deserve, free from distracting background sounds. For those who prioritize their primary audio systems, this cable might not replace high-end interconnects. However, it offers a solid, budget-friendly option for general-purpose audio connections. If Hosa were to offer this same cable with upgraded RCA connectors, it could easily become a go-to choice for more demanding setups as well. Delivery is another pleasant surprise. While Amazon estimated a 3-week wait, many customers received their cables in just 2 days. Quick shipping means you can upgrade your audio setup without the long wait, getting back to enjoying your vinyl collection sooner. In summary, the Hosa CRA-203DJ Dual RCA cable with ground wire is a reliable, affordable solution for anyone needing a quality connection from turntable to amplifier or mixer. Its sturdy construction, effective shielding, and grounding wire combine to reduce noise and preserve audio clarity, making it a smart investment for vinyl lovers on a budget. If you're tired of hum or interference in your turntable setup, this cable addresses those issues head-on without demanding a premium price. It's a practical upgrade that delivers tangible improvements in sound quality and reliability. Worth a look if you want a no-nonsense cable that balances performance and cost. Whether you're a casual listener or a DJ, the Hosa CRA-203DJ fits well into most audio systems, helping your records sound their best. Try it when you're ready to experience cleaner, hum-free vinyl playback without spending a fortune. This cable offers what you need: durability, clarity, and grounding, in one neat package. Ultimately, the Hosa CRA-203DJ is a solid choice for anyone connecting a turntable that requires a ground wire. It's not just about the connection, it's about preserving the integrity of your music and enjoying every note as it was meant to be heard. Upgrade your setup with confidence. This cable delivers reliable performance and peace of mind, so your vinyl sessions stay focused on the music, not the noise. Consider the Hosa CRA-203DJ if you want a dependable, well-built cable that gets the job done without fuss. It's a straightforward solution that meets the needs of most turntable users, making it a smart addition to your audio gear.